Yeah, wide open my ass.
You're walking by us, buddy.
You're walking by.
Walking by us.
Show us how to hit it, Tom.
Walking on a
The dash is digi, the schedule busy. My head in a hoodie, my shorty a goodie. My cousins are crazy, my cousins like boogie. Life is amazing, it is what it should be. Been here for 10, but I feel like a rookie. I tell her look up, cause it's snowing in Tussies. Booked for 3 years, man, you can't even book me. It's me and Lil Baby, that going crazy. Weezy produced it, and Weezy have made me. And she held it down, so she got a Mercedes. No money records, the Army, the Navy. It ran me 10,000, I threw it like Brady. Foreign is yellow like Tracy and Katie. I trust in my they never betray me. Met all these they sweeter than Sadie. When I started out, I just took what they gave.
Brand new whip, got no keys. Tell them I told no starch, please. Soon as I you can go leave. Got M's in the bank, like yes, indeed. Cardiac glasses.
Alright guys, we're out here checking out the pit bike track. It's basically done. So this video is just going to be us ripping it. We got to clean up the tabletop. There's a huge, we just been riding it, so there's a bunch of ruts in it. The guys want to clean it up. The ground is kind of frozen, but we're going to send it and just show you guys some riding clips. Well, we gotta fix that because
I didn't even see you up there.
the corner thing. Because I fucking passed Nolan, but then obviously he's right on my ass. So he just takes the inside again.
Doing like 5.
Yo guys, so I just wanted to hop on here and give you some context to what I was talking about. So I'll insert some clips. As you'll see, there's a few corners where you can cut the track by going inside a corner. Most corners go around the tree, but a few of them you can cut inside the tree. So a rule we had kind of came up with was you can only go on the inside if you're gonna pass someone. And the issue I had run into is I had passed somebody and then I went outside, but since I just passed them, they immediately just went to the inside and passed me right back, even though I was faster. So they were just making it harder, so I just had to go ahead and pass them again. As you'll see, I passed Nolan, and then he just immediately takes the inside line. So we're just struggling to find a good way we're just struggling to find a good way to have people pass and for it to be fair. So I think what we did was we did add some bumps to the inside of corners, which is not in this video. But let us know what you guys think and what's the best way to do some fair pit bike racing.
What is this?
Who's catching Chucky?
You got one behind. You got one behind.
Let's go!
You got it.
Oh, he's going inside? Oh, Chucky's done. Oh, yeah.
Got to him.
So who? Oh! Oh, that's a good picture. So who's the winner? Who's the winner, Tom, or he pulled off early?
No, I pulled off early. The sandbagger anyway. Sandbagging. How's the cheat? I think Trophy's winning.
Chucky or Steve?
Yeah, no, Trump.
Steve went down. Steve went down. I don't know when the finish is, though.
No, he's the winner. Well, on this lap.
All right.
I'm going 3 laps. That's it.
Oh!
What a way to finish. Yeah, That's it. Dude, you didn't make it one corner, dude. Come on. Hey, look at Chaz. Chaz's like, I'll take the bike over with you.